Smart materials is about investing in the transition from a hydrocarbon world to a metals world. As the world electrifies, automates, and digitizes, metals and materials intensity is rising strongly. Critical minerals are becoming the new strategic resource. Growth is becoming less about carbon and increasingly about the materials and technology that power the next economy. That is why the strategy focuses on two parts of the value chain: scarce and strategic materials and manufacturing technology that improve efficiency and productivity. We call this approach the efficiency equation. So this is not a commodity fund and not a pure tech strategy. It is a structural equity strategy built on the material foundations of the next industrial cycle. The theme has had strong momentum. Through the end of February, the strategy has strongly outperformed broader global markets so far this year. This has been driven by stronger sentiment and improving fundamentals in areas such as critical minerals, AI-related demand for materials, and robotics supply chain. More broadly, the market is increasingly recognizing that this shift is structural, not just cyclical. Electrification, AI infrastructure, and supply chain resilience are durable, multi-layer drivers. We remain constructive. Both cyclical and structural forces are now pointing in the same direction. Normalizing interest rates could support capital-intensive areas such as industrial technology and manufacturing investment. And the bigger structural drivers, AI build-out, electrification, automation, and the localization of critical supply chains remain firmly in place. In our view, the recovery is still in its early stages. The main risks are macro and policy related. We are watching the pace of rate cuts closely. A slower easing cycle could delay recovery in construction and industrial capex. We're also monitoring potential reversals in climate, trade, or industrial policy and geopolitical shocks that could disrupt supply chains. And finally, this is a high dispersion market. Selectivity matters. Balance sheet strength, earnings resilience, and access to critical inputs will continue to separate the winners from the laggards.